We got a his and hers install coming to y'all. No, we're not going to be dropping both videos at the same time. As you've already seen in the last video that we did the husband's bike back there, the Indian Challenger, and we wanted to make sure his wife had tunes, so we're doing this 2015 all equipment in the fairing, 4-speaker audio build. We love this bike. Talk about what we're doing. So they want to keep the factory head unit in this bike. They do have a CarPlay screen that they're sending us, so that way we can tune everything properly with that. But what we're going to do in the fairing is and we got to shout out to 309 Custom Audio. They are the gurus for the Victories. We reach out to them, we get all their products. We're going to be using their fairing shroud, their amp plate, speaker adapters, a whole 9 yards on this build. So we're going to be adding a PSM-Pro, which is how we're going to integrate into this bike. We're going to be using their 309 custom amp rack right here, a Soundigital 1200.4 Evo X2 to power our system. And then from there, we're going to be doing the Cicada Audio CH65.4s in the dash with the speaker adapters. And then the lids, we're going to go with the Hertz SX690Neos. It's their 6x9 coax. Absolutely love this speaker. Sounds phenomenal. Holds up to the elements. So she'll be able to enjoy her bike and not worry about the elements getting to her speakers. So let's get this bike out back too, so we can get both these audio systems done and get them back to the customers and on their way back to Texas. This beautiful cross country is all wrapped up and finished. Shooting a quick video before the husband and wife come to pick up this other bike as well. So this one came out really nice. I love the way this bike came out. It sounds phenomenal for a 4-speaker, and that 1204 absolutely killed it. Let me show you how this bike looks, and we'll drop some footage of it in the bay, and then let you listen to it before the customer gets here. Victory Cross Country. This is a 2015. So what we started off with is we used a lot of 309 custom audio products. We used their amp plate, their fairing shroud, speaker adapters, all of that. So we put their amp plate up here with a Soundigital 1200.4 Evo X2, an Hertz Audio PSM-Pro on the backside to integrate, because the customer wanted to retain the OEM head unit because they have a little CarPlay screen. We'll show you that, but we got everything in there. Looks absolutely amazing. So here's some footage of the before and after. See, looks amazing. Yes, the speaker wires weren't terminated at that point. Wanted to catch a video before Bill wrapped it up. Ran our own power and ground fuse down at the bottom, 3D printed a block on the other side to hold it. In the dash, we went with the Cicada Audio CH690s with the speaker adapters. In the lids, they'd bought these lids, provided them. We did the Hertz Audio SX690Neos in the lids. Love those speakers. Great waterproof speaker. Then we 3D printed a blank here to make sure that that hole was blocked off and would not allow water in the bag. Absolutely sounds amazing. So let's get this bike fired up, get hooked up to that screen, and let y'all listen to it for yourselves.
Got 'em all jumping. Got 'em all jumping. Got 'em all jumping. Got 'em all jumping. It got 'em all. This ain't doomsday, just that crack team day. Just my redemption, but every day I threw away. I'd rather be a man than a rap star. I'd rather put the Bible where the plaques are. Traded in my shackles for a necklace. Head swivel like I'm necklace. Yeah, I'm unashamed and I'm reckless.
Put a faith in the one, make the rain come through. I was broken gracefully until he elevated me. Took the world from A to Z. He doing things I can't believe. Don't put me on, don't hate on me. Jesus Christ said, wait on me. I waited in the day, never read a book, but them red letters hit my dead heart, and I came to life and I changed up. Now they wanna know. Tell me who this stranger? Straight man, don't back up. I ain't going through places. This right here, the new way to places. Came through on the wrong side, but the Holy Ghost brought us back. Woke up with a new heart, new mind, new purpose. Tell me who's this stranger? Tell me who's this stranger? Dead men don't make good, so tell me who's this stranger? Came through on the wrong side, but the Holy Ghost brought us back. Woke up with a new heart, new mind, new purpose. Lord of man, no son of a heart, invisible tear. And I'm in the same who walked in the red, he opened the word, he told me if you in the color low, I promise the future look dark. Deadly roots set deep in my soul, 6 feet didn't seem very far. Suicidal thoughts in my heart, lost one look at the light, no MIB. No red pill, no blue pill, just Christ filled, found serenity. Broke out to jail cell, building myself, Michael Schofield energy. Yeah, I deny, got me looking right, maybe it's makeup, nah, this ain't Maybelline. There's no preaching, my babies are put on their armor and watch for the arrows. Switching the script on the news for the good till they cancel the anchorman Will Ferrell. Now I look like a stranger to the ones that I see in my rear view.
The couple here is here to pick up their bikes, the Indian Challenger and the Victory. As you already know, we have a soft spot for both of these bikes. One, because this is our favorite color in the Challenger, and we started audio with the cross country, so I love it when people come here, especially when it's a his and her bike. Love it. So we're gonna ask them what their thoughts were with dealing with us and what they think about their systems.
Oh, it was excellent. Excellent experience. Great communication. Stereo sounds great. Blown away by it. Install, everything looks very good, very clean. The sound is very clean. I absolutely love it.
Awesome. And what about you, ma'am?
Oh man, I can't wait to pull up on the set on this beast. It's gonna be eyes on me, and I can't be more happier with the service that we receive.
Awesome. That's what we look for. And Victory bags, there's just something about those saddlebags. They just sound amazing. If you're not familiar with audio, go check out Victory bags. They sound amazing. So we're gonna let them get back on the road because they have a long ride back to Texas, and you're gonna see these videos dropping very soon of both of these bikes. So thank them very much again. And if you're looking for the best aftermarket audio solution for your Indian, Victory, Harley, motorcycle period, make sure you check us out here at Davidson Audio in beautiful Panama City, Florida. God bless all of y'all.